Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I didn't go to office today. At my home, there is something wrong with my camera, so therefore I could not shoot the video. So that's why I'm doing only the audio. And today, the Nifty rallied more than 250 points actually from the yesterday's actual closing. Because yesterday the actual closing was different from weighted average closing. So therefore it is showing slightly less. Otherwise, for the last 3 days, markets have been very, very volatile. And if you can remember what happened on Thursday, the Nifty fell 200 points, then shot up 300 points. Then what happened on Friday? The entire gain was wiped out and Nifty fell 300 points on Friday. That has happened for no reason. And again today, the Nifty shot up nearly 250 points again for no reason. So markets have been moving very, very violently, especially on Friday. The people have become very bearish. So that's because after May 12, then Friday was the first time the Nifty closed below 24,500. And not only that, even the intraday swing low was also on the same day. Just one day, next trading session, so the entire thing has changed, but nothing has changed at the ground level. And State Bank of India moved higher after the good results, so that has supported the markets at lower levels. But finally, all the stocks and all the sectors bearing consumer durables started moving higher. Mid cap and small caps have outperformed, and large cap was okay. The Bank Nifty, it was indicating lower opening in the pre-market. In fact, Bank Nifty fell about 100 points in the beginning. Then again, so that was also met with short covering. So overall, the bulls can take a breather as Nifty once again closed above 24,500. So since May 12, the Nifty has closed only once before below 24,500. That was on Friday, but again today it has closed above that. So again, that level we have to keep watching, plus today's intraday low. Incidentally, today's intraday low, Friday's intraday low, Thursday's intraday low, I think all three are almost same. So that is somewhere around 24, 340, 350. So that level also must be watched. And today there are many positive things. Number one, probably FIIs were net buyers on Friday, so that must have aided the sentiment. And again, the retail people's money flowing into mutual funds. And today, data came highest ever SIP. And so retail people just keep pumping in the money. So therefore, the probability of downside may be less. And then FIIs keep selling, therefore upside will also be limited. So that's why the markets are likely to be volatile but range bound. And another good thing today, despite Nifty shooting up nearly 250 points, despite the broader markets doing so well, the India VIX is higher. When India VIX is higher in a rising market, so that means now among the traders, the fear is on the higher side. That means people probably caught in the wrong foot. People must have sold left, right and center call options. Now their call options may be coming into trouble. And also another big positive today, for the last 6 trading sessions, Nifty could not go above the previous day's high. After 6 trading sessions, today first time Nifty went above yesterday's high as well as closed above yesterday's high. So all these points to some short-term recovery. But again, as I said, there is nothing very big to support this market. We have to wait and see how much FIIs are going to sell today or would have sold today. and I'm sure it's going to be the sell figure only. Every rise is a selling opportunity for them. So markets are likely to continue to consolidate between 24,000 and 25,000 for the next 3 trading sessions. And the option premiums are still very, very good. I think 25,000 call, I remember seeing trading around 10 rupees just 5-10 minutes before the market close also. And same thing goes for 24,000 PE also. So anyway, so this week Friday is a holiday. So I also have too busy schedule the weekend. We'll try to bring more videos if my camera is okay by tomorrow. So otherwise it's going to be difficult. So people have no need to say, people were unwinding the call options and selling the put options aggressively. So those data and other things we will see tomorrow morning. But right now US futures are slightly higher, and but there is no need to talk about the global cues. That's because nowadays we don't follow the global cues, so we follow our own path. So let us hope that today's low is being held at least until the end of this August series. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.